Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Cash App account via identity confirmation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your Cash App account via identity confirmation, begin by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. On the home screen, look for the profile icon in the upper right corner. Tap on the profile icon to access your account settings. Scroll down and select the support option. In the support menu, find and tap on something else. Choose the account settings option from the list. Now, select Restore Account to initiate the recovery process. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your identity. You may be asked to provide your registered email address or phone number. Enter the required information and tap Next to proceed. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or SMS for the code and enter it into the provided field. After entering the code, tap Confirm to continue. If prompted, provide any additional information necessary to verify your identity. Once your identity has been successfully confirmed, your Cash App account will be restored. You will receive a notification confirming the restoration of your account. Now, you can log into Cash App using your credentials. Make sure to check for any pending transactions or updates needed on your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.